Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today's just a quick tech tip on these nut inserts that are inside plastic tanks. These things will give you grief if you don't take care of them. I want to tell you how to get them out easy and how to put them back in. Not the nuts, but the bolts that you're putting inside here. So when you take these out, you want to try to use an impact. The best way that I find to get them out is just using a standard impact like this. Put it on there, and it'll quickly loosen it by the impact, and it'll also just rotate it, and it won't slowly tear it out. If you try to use a regular wrench on here and you try to take that out, if you don't hold it perfectly square, it can kind of pry on it a little bit, and if you slowly do it, it'll just slowly damage the plastic and wrench it out of there, and it'll ruin it. When you put your bolts back in here, it's usually an 8mm that goes in here, or an Allen key or something, depending on the bike. This is a Kawasaki. Kawasaki's are known for having trouble with these things spinning. I've had to battle them over many times. I always put anti-seize. I use this anti-seize here. This is made by Versachem. I use it on a lot of bolts that you don't want to get locked in there. So these, make sure you put anti-seize on these bolts when you put them back in. Don't over tighten them. Just get them snug. That's all you need. I'd rather one fall out than one to get stuck in there. Believe me, you won't be able to get your radiator shrouds off. It'll be a nightmare. So make sure that you, if you get a used bike, take them out with the impact quick. Put some anti-seize on there, and you'll be good to go. You don't want to battle these things. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. It's just a quick tech tip. Hey, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.